The captain says, I. The captain says, I. Hi, my unique kids lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the I words, okay? Words with the I sound. I. So whenever you see me do like this, it's I. Remember, in our previous class, we learned the I. And today we are going to learn the alternative, which is the I-E. The I-E. It also sounds I. You'll be wondering why today's one is having dash. Just relax. I'm here to take you on this. Okay? So let's get started. And don't forget the sound is I. And this is the action. Action helps us to remember. So I, yes, saluting, I. Okay. So whenever you see this is the, remember I told you two vowels. The first vowel takes the sound and the last one is silent. So we have good. If you say like, it's correct. But if you say leak, no, it's not leak. This is like. Like. Okay. Like. We have bike. Sides. Okay. Pine. This is what? 9. Good. Hive. We have our 5. Okay. Lime. Mine. Okay. Remember, SA sounds sh. So shine. Okay. Dive. Drive. Okay. So that is I dash. You see, dash. Dash. I dash E. So the sound in the middle or in the dash is what you mentioned last, okay? And remember the first vowel takes the long vowel sound. Don't forget that. You don't say E, E, or you don't mention I, E. No, this is I. It's I. I dash E. So let's go over again. This is what? Hive. Pine. Sight. 9. 5. Bike. Lime. Drive. Mine. Like. Dive. And what? Shine. So is I, not E, E. Okay? Don't forget. Unique kids don't learn and forget. So remember the action I, and the sound is I. Okay? That is all for today's class. Please do well to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified each time I post new video, and share with friends and family. Don't forget, this is not the end of the I sound. Come back to learn the remaining ones. Okay? Bye.